Okay, welcome back. So let's continue. So we have still one equation that we need to learn. So we are going to learn the third equation. Yeah. Well, so let's rewrite it. So Vx to the power of 2, V x to the power of 2 plus 2ax x minus x 0, yeah, and this equation is applied to horizontal, yeah, horizontal path, yeah. Okay, now what if we convert this equation into a vertical line, yeah? So the Vx will be Vy, yeah, still to the power of 2 equals Voy to the power of 2 plus 2g. In this case, yeah, x minus x 0 will be height, yeah, or h here. So this height, yeah, or h here. So Vy is final velocity, yeah, or meter per second, the unit, yeah, and then phi v, yeah, v y is the initial velocity, and where g is the gravitational acceleration, which is meter per second square, and h is height, yeah, or meter, yeah. I mean the unit of height is meter, yeah. Okay, now let's take a look if we apply this equation. This is for vertical, yeah, vertical. If we apply the vertical equation into the real case, yeah. Okay. VO to the power of 2 equals to VOY to the power of 2 plus 2G8, yeah. Nah, let's say I have apple, yeah. We are still going to use apple, and this is the ground, yeah. And then the height, yeah, between the ground and the apple is, let's say, 10 meter, and the question is, yeah, how much, yeah, the final velocity of apple, yeah, just before hitting the ground. Yeah, so in this case, we are going to find the final velocity, you know, which is Vy. And because there is not any initial velocity, or just let's say the apple moves from a static condition, so the initial velocity of the apple is 0 meter per second, yeah, and the duration, yeah, of the duration of the falling apple, yeah, hitting the ground, let's say 10 seconds maybe, yeah, 10 seconds, yeah. So this is just a random number, yeah. Okay, so let's try to solve this equation. So I have this one, and then the Vy, something that we are going to find. The V of y to the power of 2 is 0. So this one is this one. 0 to the power of 2 plus 2. The G is 9.81 times the height of the apple. So it is 10. So it's 0 plus, let me check it using my calculator. 2 times 9.81 times 10. 196.2. So but this equation, this result is still in the form of square. So we have to find the square root of this number. So it will be Vy equals to square root of 196.2. So how to find this? I think I have to use so square root calculator. 196.2 and square root. Wait a minute. Square 196.2. Yes, so this one, 14 point something, 14.00, 7 meter per second. But because you can just round it, we can just round it into 14, just 14 meters square. So this is the final velocity of the moving of the falling object. Okay, so I think that's all for the equation. So far we have 3 kinds of equation. The first one is this one, the second one is this one, and then the last one is this one. And you need some creativity to use. Let's say you have equation. Let's say you have case. And then from the cases, you have to choose wisely. Which one is the most suitable equation? Because if you chose the wrong equation, then your result will be also wrong. So you have to find out. You have to use the most appropriate equation between the 3. Okay, I think that's all for today's material, and I hope you can do as good as you can for your mid-test, and the mid-test will be until this topic. Thanks for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.